Okay, kausapin ko si nanay.
Fem.
Po, Nay. Nay, okay, bukas babalik kayo doon sa DPWS na yan.
Scissor.
Para singilin po yung 265 na nagastos niyo po
Blade.
sa bulat libing. Okay, Nay?
Measure.
Sige, salamat po, Nay.
Cleaning
Magandang hapon po.
cloth.
Nakikiramay muli
Water
kami.
spray.
Nay.
Sticky tape. Tapos ito.
Opo, Nay. Opo, Nay. Okay. So, Mary,
Yes, Idol.
may isang araw pa dyan. Okay, samahan mo sila hanggang bukas, okay? Ingat ka dyan.
Thank you so much, Idol.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat dyan. Okay.
Para gagana yan. Ganar.
We're so fresh. Mahal. Sana all afford.
What are you doing? I'm drawing my concert ticket. In case my battery dies. I can keep it. My battery's empty. Can you do that?
Yo. A coffin. A coffin. Okay. 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 Because it says here cabin. See? See? Cabin in the woods. Mom needs a coffin and brief. Brief in cemetery. Only brief. Oh man. She died because she fight our neighbor. Mom, tinuturuan mo yung anak mo. How old is a child?
Hindi po siya nag-text ng ganyan.
Maybe you did this. It's not your son then.
Matagal na po may gumagamit sa ano ko, sa account ko.
Oh.
Po yan.
And then, see, who you are really don't care if I die, huh? Well, then, that's it. So you're the one who's been chatting Zachary all along, pretending to be your son.
Hindi po siya gumagawa ng ganyan.
Then, who did this then?
Hindi ko po alam.
Cabinet. Yung sabi ng netizen. Si ibig sabihin siguro yung imbis na cabinet kasi parang cabinet yung yung kabaho kasi parang cabinet nga naman. Bubuksan mo yun. Parang cabinet nga. Next time, ma'am, gamitin mo cabinet. Medyo malapit-lapit pa sa katotohanan, sabi ni MG Gamarcha. Hindi, totoo naman, cabinet. Pero hindi ko maintindihan yung brick. Paano pasok dito? Paano pasok dito yung kasi? Wala po maniniwala sa inyo. Pag sinabi niyo po itong 1.9 million pesos ay napunta lang po sa pagkain ninyo, hindi ka panipaniwala.
Mula nung umalis siya, nagpapadala po siya sa amin dito every 15 days ng $200, $150.
Mas maganda naman magkasundo kayo, mangako ka sa kanya that you will pay him back. Otherwise, if he wants to file a case against you, then we will help him.
Kasal kami, kaya siya naman po ang may gusto niya na magpadala sa akin eh. Hindi naman ako humihingi sa kanya eh.
Sino usapin si Mr. Zachary? Go ahead, talk to Mr. Zachary. Para medyo mag-boss-boss yung kanya sa mga loob. Sir, sabi mo, sir, hindi lahat ng Pilipina ay katulad kay Lara. Sana wag mong isipin na lahat ng Pilipina ay katulad kay Lara. Sabi mo kay Zachary.
Sir Zachary, not all Filipinas are like Miss Lara. Some are kind.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, one of the other things she did, she tried to claim that she had a kid with me and she doesn't.
Sana wag kang magkaroon ng masamang impresyon sa mga Pilipina.
I hope you don't get bad impression from the Filipinas.
Pwede na rin yun. Naintindihan niya ako yung saan. Natatawa siya. So, I think he understood what you just said. Attorney Garrett?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we have a case here, an American guy who's now in the U.S. and he's filing a complaint against his wife. See, what happens is the girl, his wife, was not honest enough to tell him when he proposed to her that she's already married to a Filipino here in the Philippines. So the American guy married the Filipina girl because he thought that she's single. And now Zachary would like to file a case against Lara, plus he wants all his money back up to the last penny. What is your opinion about this case?
Okay, my legal opinion with this case is that a Filipino wife can be sued for estafa or for the benefit of one American complainant swindling here in the jurisdiction of the Philippines. Based on the monitoring a while ago, what I saw was that essential elements of the crime was committed here in our country whenever Mr. Zachary went here matter of support. He voluntarily gave money under the pretense that there was a valid marriage. However, the swindling comes in. Existing marriage is a fact that the woman must have declared to Mr. Zachary, but she did it, which amounts to deceit. And when deceit is used to part somebody with their hard-earned money, that's a punishable crime here in the Philippines called estafa, or again, swindling.
If she gets convicted with that case, more or less how many years does she has to be in prison for that?
At 1.9 million, using the adjusted penalties for estafa, around 6 to 10 years of imprisonment.
6 to 10 years imprisonment. Okay. Thank you very much, Attorney Gary Tumul of Axios Party List.
Excuse me.
Okay,
Mr. Rocky.
Veronica, yeah, Veronica is the new girlfriend of
Actually,
Zachary.
Zach is started sending money to Laura since 2009. He actually ended up sending her over $86,000 and some extra change. I've seen all the receipts, and he had sent it in Western Union. So I can vouch that he sent that much money. And I also saw, yes, Zach sent her $300 every 2 weeks, but I also saw every extra amount that Zach sent her. And Laura saying that she never asked any money. She have asked that money every second of the day. Actually, she even said, Zach, I will leave you alone if you gave me 5 million pesos. And also, she pretends that
no filters, no problem. By the way, you glow, girl.
her old daughter. And she also said that if Zach doesn't give her what she wanted, that when Zach visited the Philippines, she will do what the Filipinos did to Magellan back in the days, which is like cut his head off. Honestly, the very first time we didn't want the money back, we didn't want to file any cases. We just wanted her to leave us alone. You are not married to Zach. If you are not married, you are not. Your marriage is not valid to Zach. You married Zach in 2005, and your annulment was 2012.
Zach was helping you to annul my husband.
And Zach has broken up with you multiple times. And you also knew that if you broke up with him, that you will kill yourself.
And to divorce my husband here.
I sent you money.
He's the one paying the annulment.
You need to listen right now and you need to shut up. I sent you money from my own name. Even after you said that his cousin and his brother, I still sent you money because I felt bad for you. You said a lot of things about me. You need to shut up right now and you need to listen. I have wanted to tell you so much stuff. I kept quiet and I told you, all you have to do is leave us alone. And I will not file any case. You fight up with me. That broke up with you over and over again. And you have told him that if he broke up with you, you will kill yourself.
What the money she gave to me? It's just support.
You are a fraud.
The one deciding that.
Everything.
Since
You
you
have
are
a paper that says you're supposed to go to U.S. Embassy multiple times. And every time you're supposed to go to U.S. Embassy, you make so much excuses that you cannot go. You have said that there is a typhoon. You have said there is a flood. We have
just because of this pandemic.
No,
That's why.
Laura. Pandemic didn't happen until 2019.
Lara, can you explain to us this message that you sent? I don't know, who did you send this message to? When the man wants to me and I don't have feelings even a little, are supposed to pay me $1 million every time that he wants to stick his in my lovely. I'm sorry, I have to say this word for word because you know,
Sir, hindi po ako nagsabi
it's
ng
written here.
ganyan. Hindi po ako nagsabi ng ganyan. Bakit ko ano na lang pinag-ano nila sa akin?
Veronica, is this Lara's?
Yes.
Lara
and
sent that to me.
after-
Oh, Lara sent this to you. Okay. Ito pa, isa. Sinabi ni Lara, because my so expensive and it was not enough if I were charging you every time you me. Come on, Lara. You know better. You should not have done this.
Sir, hindi po ako nagsasabi ng ganyan, sir. Bastos naman yan.
Ma'am, yung pangutot, hindi pa kabastusan niya, ma'am. Di ba?
Yes, she actually tried to call Zach. There's a lot of missed calls from Lara. If
Si Veronica, ang lagi natin kapag sa akin simula.
calling Zach. And also, when I sent her money from my own money, she actually tried to call and I tried to call her and she allowed multiple
Sa kasal natin sa
missed call from Lara.
Kung yan, na-text ko sa kanila dahil pinangalanan po ako ni Veronica na ako daw ay hindi naman po ako nagpunta sa Korea. Sabi ko, kung ko, ang mahal-mahal siguro ng ari ko para ipagamit ko sa kanya.
Kaya $1 million.
Ang ano po yun?
Kaya sabi mo, ikaw ay gumagawa niyan, di $1 million na lang yung halaga ng ari mo. Yung sinasabi mo kanina, ma'am.
Hindi, sabi ko sa kanila, mahal yung sarili ko. Kung ako, kulang-kulang pa yung mga pinapadala ng asawa ko sa akin. Bakit pinangalanan niyo kung ako, bets ako? Hindi ko ginagawa sa Korea yan.
Ma'am Lara, anong trabaho niyo sa Korea? What was your job in Korea?
Dancer po ako, sir.
Okay.
Dancer, entertainer.
Are you willing to talk to Zachary and to Veronica para ayusin itong problema ninyo? Pag-usapan nyo yung pera na sinisingan niya na, who knows, baka pag nagpakumbaba ka, I mean, maybe they may no longer not ask for you to pay them back.
Kung hindi nagpapadala sa akin yan, wala po akong kapera-pera.
Pero man, pag kinasuhan ka, siyempre, di mo nang pwede sabihin kay Judge, wala kang pera-pera. So, ang sabihin ni Judge, kung wala kang pera, di makulong ka na lang.
Hindi ko naman dapat i-accept yung mga pera na support niya sa akin eh. Siya po ang tumutulong sa akin para ma-unload ako, siya lahat nagbayad.
Zachary, this is interesting. There are some netizens who are watching us right now. They have some questions and queries. Why just now are you complaining against Lara? Is it because you want to get your money back from Lara so you can give it to Veronica?
Sir, I actually make more money than him.
May I know what's your job, Veronica?
Actually, sir, Zachary used to be one of my workers. I was a supervisor. And this is actually how we, when he told me that he was married to a Filipina, I was very excited about it. I was like, oh my God, like honestly, that's how I felt. I'm like, oh, another Filipina, it will be amazing when if I can meet another Filipina. And he started telling me a story about it. I'm like, Zach, you guys' marriage is not legal. And she's just using you for money. Because actually, Zach told me that he's married but not really. And he actually said that Lara was supposed to go to U.S. Embassy multiple times. And Lara have made excuses over and over again not to be able to go. And so I was kind of like feeling bad about it. Honestly, I was very embarrassed.
You are in the U.S. and working as a supervisor in a company that is owned by Zachary?
No. I was Zach's supervisor. He worked under me.
Oh, he works under you. You're the supervisor of Zach.
Yes, that's why